our annual vacation event. It doesn't really matter what the major is, it matters what the student's desire is in their heart.
Hello po, I'm Earl. I am a student at Bangkok University International, taking up Communication Arts as a major. Right now, we are the student launch. Ano po, yung Imagine launch. Dito po pumunta yung mga estudyante pag wala po silang klase, pag gusto po nila makipag-usap sa mga kaibigan nila, to relax and just to study kung may test po sila sa next class nila. Creative University, kasi kahit po yung student launch na very creatively designed, meron po tayong giant dartboard dito, may pool board po doon. Tapos, kung makikita nyo po yung giant panda na yun, which is also a staircase, yun po yung mascot ng Imagine Lounge. Madami pong activities for the students to enjoy on their free time.
This building behind me is our building for the HRM, Culinary and Tourism Management.
They divide two groups and most of them magsaserve sa mga customers po and iba naman po sa may kitchen. So lahat po ng students nagsuswap sila ng positions para matutunan nila kung paano mag-manage yung sarili ng restaurant. And at the same time, they will choose kung anong menu din nila. So they have 3 sets of menu. Meron main course, may appetizer, and may different po. And also, sila na bahala kung how to earn their own profit po. So kapag hindi maganda yung profit, every week they have to check with their teacher and how to improve it. That's it! Bye! So, andito po tayo ngayon inside the airplane and we are here with one of the students in Bangkok University. So, ano pangalan mo?
Hi, I'm Jan po.
Okay, so what course are you taking?
I'm actually taking marketing in the US.
Yung napili ang ganyan course?
Alam ko po, yung marketing, tutulungan po talaga ako na mag-set up ng business na it would also help me to establish businesses that can really help me as well as the society.
So, bakit mo napili ang Bangkok University? Eh, marami naman tayong mga university sa Pinas, which is also good.
Kasi po yung ambience talaga sa Bangkok University International. Sobrang ma-expose ka po sa mga international students to get to understand and see each other's perspective from different nations and malalaman mo kung paano mo may innovate even yung skills mo or the things you want to improve.
So, hello guys! So, tuturuan ko kayo paano kunin ang dream card. Ito po ay dream card. Ito ay meal card. Meal. M-E-A-L. Hindi milk. Ayan, ganito lang. Ay, joke. Oh no! And then you have to stamp on the green. Sira na. Okay, so what's your order now? Balik na balik. Again, coffee or tea? Wine? Beer?
Mag-aasa naman tayo ng another student here, another Filipino student here at Bangkok University. What's your name?
Mikey.
Mikey. Okay, Mikey, ano ang course mo?
Hotel Restaurant and Management.
Ah, okay. Magandang course yan. So, bakit mo napili ang Hotel and Restaurant Management?
Because ano po, yung course na po na to, malawak po yung scope niya pagdating sa job preference.
Out of how many schools? Actually, we have schools in the Philippines, beautiful schools as well. But bakit mo na pag-desisyon na mag-study dito sa Bangkok University?
I chose to study here because yung Bangkok University, nag-offer po sila na ilabas po yung real you, yung more on practical. Unlike po sa old traditional na katulad po ng school system natin sa Philippines na more on lectures. Dito po, more on practical. That's why na-practice po kami mga students na ma-bring out po yung the best in us.
Okay. So right now, guys, we are here at the Communication Arts Media Production Center. We have another student here. What's your name?
I am Shani Mayro Morao.
Okay, so what's your course?
My course is Communication Arts
Okay, bakit mo pinili yung course na yan?
because I feel like I really like communicating with people and I want to learn about the art of communicating in an effective way.
Wow, that's very nice. And why have you decided to enroll here in Bangkok University?
First, I know a couple of people who studied in Bangkok University and they say the environment is good and it's very international. We get to meet a lot of diverse culture and people.
And how about your experience? Is it really true?
It's true. It's not like 50-50 foreigner and Thai, but it's more than like 40% that are foreigners and the rest are Thai. But it's very international. Everybody tries to like learn and understand each other, share each other's culture to one another.
Ano gusto mong sabihin sa mga estudyante na nasa Pilipinas? Encourage them to enroll here in
If you're a student in the last year of high school and you want to look for new experiences, be able to explore the world more, meet different other people from different countries and share each other culture, you're welcome to come to BUI. It's a very great environment. Our learning environment is nice and also the society. BUI, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so andito po kami ngayon sa library ng Bangkok University. We have another student here and what's your name?
Joan,
Okay, Joni, anong course mo, Joni?
I study entrepreneurship in Bangkok University International.
Oh, I see. Okay. Bakit mo napili ang ganyang kurso?
Kasi po someday, I wanna be able to start my own business. Tsaka po kasi since I was young, yung dad ko po nag-business manager, so exposed na ako sa mga ganun bagay.
Bakit mo napag-desisyon na dito ka mag-aral sa Bangkok University?
Kasi nga po parang sabi po sa akin, ito po talaga yung hub of ASEAN business. So ang daming open doors pag dito ka nag-aral, ang daming connections, ang daming mga platforms na pwede kong puntahan para makapag-start ako ng sarili kong business.
Okay. So, anong gusto mong sabihin sa mga estudyante natin sa Pilipinas na gusto or naghahanap ng school na pag-aaralan nila after their high school?
I guess I would encourage you to come to Bangkok University because unang-una yung international experience iba talaga. Hindi siya tulad ng Pinas. Ang dami mong people na pwedeng ma-connect with. Iba-ibang culture yung ma-expose sa'yo. And talagang ibang experience yung pagpunta sa Bangkok. Not too far. Tas hindi rin siya super lapit sa Pilipinas.
Alexandria, and you can just call me Adriana for short. I'm
studying hotel and restaurant management here in Rangston campus. And the building that we usually use is the AM building. So as a PU student here in Rangston campus, it's not like in city campus. We have most of my classmates are Thai people, from Myanmar, from China, and some are from Japan. What we learned is that teachers always make us do like teamwork projects and stuff like that. So what I learned from here is that we learn different cultures from each other, and then we become more open-minded. And then also, what I love about this campus is that it's very, we do a lot of practical classes in this campus. So we learn how to bake and how to cook and how to make coffee and stuff like that. But in our third year, we will learn to apply this and make our own restaurant in this campus, or make our own BU cafe in this campus. And then we make our own profit. We have to make our own menu, so it's very exciting.
So I'm in second year right now. I arrived, last year in August too. And I guess I would just say something that I really realized being here in Bangkok and studying in Bangkok University, mostly about globalization. Because before I would only see it in books, I would only see it in my teacher's PowerPoint slides, but here I really see it now. And I understand how critical it is. Like for example, being in international school, I would see fellow foreigners, and it would encourage me because, I would see this person, she's going through the same thing as I am, I'm adjusting to, she can contribute something to this country, gaining something from this country. So it's a really wonderful experience because it's like in my classes, I get to learn a skill that, for example, Germans would be known for, or I get to develop in me a certain type of knowledge that Japan does best. So I'm going to explain it in a way that I understand. For example, it's a product. You would say that this part is authentic Filipino, this material is from China, this one is from Vietnam. And having those foreign materials in a product adds value, and it becomes more expensive. So that's the way that I see students in BUI. They have all of these values, all these skills from different parts of the world. And for me, for example, what I plan to do is whatever I learn here, I want to bring back to my country. So it's really like a building block for me, getting all these lessons, all these life skills from different cultures, and I know that it's making me a better part of the working force someday, and a better daughter, a better student, and hopefully a teacher to my younger friends, to my students.
Okay, so I'm with Mr. Michael Paul, and he will tell us, why do you think Filipinos should come to study here in EU?
I think there's a couple of reasons. The first, and probably the most important, is this is a friendly, family-style community of a college. It's not one where you're just a small person in a big place, but it's a community of people. It's a community of students, a community of academics, and industry partners who all come together to help our students. I also think secondarily is that we're very well placed to help a student do whatever they want. If students have an interest in careers in business or in finance or anything related to that in the greater ASEAN community, we are in the heart of it. If students have an interest in the media and content world, Thailand has long been recognized for its advertising and media area. So this country, this place, this university is right in the middle of a lot of things happening that are influencing the country and the people of the Philippines. And I think if somebody's looking to go overseas to study, what better place than to be right in the middle of where everything is happening.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What are you waiting for? Enroll now!